Similar to kerning, I'd like to address vertical adjustment. You might find sometimes when you download a font that the characters, particularly the capital letters, aren't the same height. In this example, there's a clear fault in the text, and see if you can spot it. The fault is the S. The S should be matching the height of the J, or it should be slightly beyond the height of the J for reasons that I'll go on to explain. To see this fault, we can click View, scroll down to show grid, and if we take the text, align the J with one of the prominent lines of the grid, we'll see that the S falls well below the top of the J. So to remedy this fault, naturally we'll select the S after we ungroup, and we take it to the line where the J is. Likewise, we could also criticize this L, which goes beyond the height of the J. So we could take that down to the line of the J, and that'd stand as amended. Note, however, there's no hard and fast rules in relation to character size and spacing. Sometimes we just need to judge what looks best. The development of the Sony logo is a prime example as to why we should trust the eye. At first glance, all characters appear to be the same size. In fact, this isn't the case. Both the S and the O exceed the boundaries of the N and the Y. This is common in logo design, and it's a judgment call that's made when the surface area of a character isn't as much as neighbouring characters. In this case, the top and the bottom of the O has less surface area than the slabs at the top and the bottom of the N and the Y. Likewise, the same applies to the S because it also features the same kind of curvature. Here I'll show you what the S and the O looks like in alignment with the N and the Y, and you can see how it looks. So here it is lined up, and here it is without the guides as a standalone logo. If we zoom out, you might begin to see that the S and the O of the bottom logo looks as if they are actually smaller than the N and the Y, and they actually demand an enlargement. This again is because of the surface area at the top and the bottom of the S and O don't fulfill the same surface as the top and the bottom of the N and the Y characters. So there you have it. This is why it's important to use your eyes rather than being dictated to by measurements. Be sure to ask your friends and colleagues of their opinion so you can formulate a conclusion and refine your type so that it's part of an effective and pleasing logo design.